All right. As you know, I was in the team with Mahanda, who was leading us, and Trust Sengwaye, representing President Mwonzora and the MDC before the Court. The Constitutional Court decided right at the outset not to go into the merits of the matter. They said we had not pleaded in a way that would accommodate them to hear the matter. That's how they put it. They indicated that we were seeking two things in one application, and they thought we should have sought one thing. We obviously, as lawyers and legal practitioners, respect the decision of the Constitutional Court. We are bound by it, but we think that the court could have decided it differently. We, as you know, we are not the ones we take instructions from our clients. We will be waiting, but we've already advised our clients. I think that's what they indicated. What it means. It would mean that the Constitutional Court has only thrown them out of the Constitutional Court. That's what they've done. And this does not mean that they will not get back to the Constitutional Court. They might need to do it through another court and then deal with the declaration. Perhaps I need to explain to the journalists here that the debate in court centered on two things. First, the right that our clients were insisting on, the right to a free, fair election. That's the right that was at stake. That right is provided for in Section 67 of the Constitution. Then on the other hand, there was the issue of whether or not the delimitation report is invalid, which is what our clients were. Our clients were founding their action on the basis of the invalidity of the delimitation report. Both issues were not decided today. There is no decision of the court which says that the right was not infringed. That has not been decided. There is no decision of the court which says that the delimitation report is valid. That has not been decided. What has been decided is the technical, what we were supposed to write. So it's a matter that has been decided purely, wholly, and exclusively on technical.
So how can you jump that hurdle?
That's what I've said, that we will jump it. Obviously, we've seen what the court here wants, and that what the court is saying. One of the issues coming out was that they thought the High Court should first issue a declaration on the validity of the delimitation report. Now, our clients are very, very clear that they would want the delimitation report attended to by a court and a declaration of invalidity made, and for that reason, they then have to go to the High Court.